Hello, I'm Carmen with Inspired to Sew, and I would like to talk to you just a little bit about one of my favorite kits, Platinum Jubilee. And we have a limited quantity left, but I want to make sure that you know some of my favorite features about it. It right now comes with free backing. It is a beautiful, subtle backing. It is dry brush. And if you could be here with me right now to feel how soft this is, it would be one of the things that would make you want to have this right now in your sewing studio. But it is one of the easiest kits that you would have, just kind of maybe as a break from some of your more challenging things that you might be sewing right now. Look at these lovely Amanda Murphy fabrics that are featured in this Platinum Jubilee kit. It has 10-inch squares, so after you quickly finish up that first one, if you happen to have any layer cakes on hand, you know you're going to want to make another one. So another great thing about this, you can use it as your leaders and enders. So I would recommend coming in as soon as possible to pick one of these up, because as I said, there's a limited quantity. And we can do curbside service for you, so give us a call. We'd be happy to handle your transaction on the phone or on our website, and we'd be happy to get one of these to you as soon as possible. Thank you for listening to me talk to you about one of my favorite kits, Platinum Jubilee.